Hello everybody. So today we are going to have some exercises in present continuous. Please, I'd like you to open your books on page 61. We have 3 exercises. Okay? Exercise number 3, which is the first one. Paul and Laura stay in a hotel. So if we want to put the verb stay in the correct form in the present continuous, we have to take into consideration three elements. 1. The verb to be, the verb stay plus ing, verb to be plus verb plus ing, are staying. So if you write just Paul and Laura staying is wrong, it's not correct. So you have to use verb to be plus verb plus ing, 3 elements. So Paul visits جمعنا now. Now, how can you conjugate this sentence? Can you put it in the correct form? The verb visits. Remember, we need 3 elements. Verb to be plus verb plus ing. Yes. Paul is visiting. Why do we have is? Because we have Paul, he. The verb visit plus ing. Sentence 2. They, the verb enjoy, their holidays at the moment. How can you change the verb? So can you put it in the correct form? So we have they. Are we going to use they is, they or they are? They are. Good. Why? Because we have the verb to be with they. So they are. And the verb enjoy plus ing. Excellent. So they are enjoying. Look, the children, the verb do, clever exercises. Alright, children is not singular, it's plural. It's an irregular noun. What is the singular noun, or the singular form is the child. So children. The verb to be should be in the plural too. Yes, the children are doing. So Gnawa are dancing and jumping. So Gnawa is a group of people. So it's plural. Are dancing and jumping. Notice we don't use are jumping again because we have and. The snakes, look, the snakes is plural. The verb look at the flutes. So the snakes, the verb to be plus verb plus ing. Snakes is plural, so we use the snakes are looking. Good. Now let's justify why do you conjugate them or do you put the verbs in the present continuous. Why? We have some keywords in these sentences. I want you to spot the keywords in each sentence that mean that something is happening right now. So here, the word now is the keyword. In the second sentence, something that means something happening now. Yes, at this moment. Very good. Here, it's implicit. It's not really explicit. So it's look. Excellent. So look here. Why? Because we say, I say, please look, something is happening. Look, they are playing. Look, he is watching TV. We can have look. We can also have listen. Listen, they are shouting. Listen, he is explaining the lesson. Good, look there. So the snakes are looking at the flute now. Good. So these are the keywords. If you see these words, these keywords, time expressions, conjugate the verb in the present continuous. Let's have another exercise. So listen and speak. Frank is playing the clarinets. This is the clarinets. Sorry, this is not the clarinet. So he is not playing the clarinets. He is playing the flutes. This is the flute. The clarinet is another musical instrument, okay, which is approximately similar to the flute, but it's different. So Frank is playing the clarinet, it's wrong. We need to correct it. We say Frank isn't playing, so we put it in the negative form. Notice is, we change it with isn't. This is affirmative and this is negative. Then when you correct it, use it in affirmative but with the correct activity. So he is playing the flute. So Frank isn't playing the clarinet, he is playing the flute. We're going to have some sentences similar to this one, and you need to correct them. They are wrong. We have 5 sentences. All right. Look at the pictures and correct these false statements. So they are false. And number 1, we have Mr. Smith is watching a film. Look, is this a film? Is Mr. Smith watching a film? No. So what should we say? Now take time to think about it. They are visiting a museum. Is this a museum? Museum is about something historical. So something that is related to history. No. Now, Tim is playing a video game. Is he playing a video game? Look, he has his headphones. This is music. You need to correct it. Nizha is dancing. Do you think is Nizha dancing? Do you think she dancing? They are looking at paintings. Is this a painting? No, of course not. Now let's correct. So Mr. Smith isn't watching a film. He's watching the news. So he isn't. He is. Remember, of course, verb to be plus verb plus ing. They are visiting a museum. So you should put it in the negative first, then affirmative. They aren't visiting a museum. They are looking at paintings. Tim is playing a video game. Now put this sentence in the negative form first. So Tim isn't playing a video game, then you correct it. Tim isn't playing a video game, he is listening to music. That's the correct one. He is listening to music. Nizha is dancing. Yes, Nizha isn't dancing, she is jogging. They are looking at paintings. Correct one? The correct one is they aren't looking at paintings, they are visiting a museum. That's the correct one. So, all in all, we should remember this. We use the present continuous for actions that are happening now, at this moment. For example, I am learning grammar now. Verb to be plus verb learn plus ing. I am not watching TV. I am watching TV, so we add not for the negative. So in the form, okay, we use verb plus ing. Speak, speaking. Write, writing. So verbs that end in e, so we drop the e and just add ing. Swim, swimming. Why? Because at the end of this verb we have CVC. What do you mean by CVC? C means consonant and V means vowel. We have consonant, vowel, consonants at the end of the sentence, of the word. So when we have CVC, we double the last letter, which is here, in this case, M. We double the consonants, plus ing. For example, sit, S-I-T. S is consonant, I is a vowel, T is another consonant. So CVC, we double the last letter, which is T, sitting. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.